It's made back. That wouldn't take long, did it? What the hell is that? Sherwood Forest? Mike Wood Forest. Where they at? Oh, there's that reed. My bike. Oh, look at that. It's my bike. Mike and his bike. Mike's bike. You know what I'm saying? Don't call me Mike the bike or something. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's a little loud right here. Relax. Check us out, sand. You know what I'm saying? I got my own beach. See that? The sand. Why ain't there gold here? There might be gold here. There's gold in them there hills. Gold right here. Alright, check it out. Relax a little while. Listen to the water, man. Let it flow. Get into the flow of life.